I feeling good.
So first things first, we have the dress. This t-shirt dress, cute, simple, has 2 cute sleeves by the side. I just wore my Levi's Vans. I do not know what that shoe is called. I'm excited it's Levi's though. My thrifted Levi's with it to just make it look a little bit cute, just simple dress.
Searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there.
So in the visuals of Cardi B X Amber show, a hole never gets cold. But if you get cold, because we know you will, wear tights with it. Tights makes everything look instantly better. It elongates your leg, it makes you look skinny, it makes you look cute. Because I'm very sure it's already cold in a lot of countries. In Nigeria, it still feels like the devil butt crack. So let's never talk about it. But then so here I have this same dress with this cropped denim jacket. I almost wish my denim jacket had like tons of distress underneath, but it doesn't. But this still works, still makes it look cute, still makes it look simple. Can we just not talk about whatever I'm doing throughout this video?
My darling dear, you're never here. When I'm in pain, you hide and disappear like shadows in.
And again, with tights, just tights. Every single look works with tights. So yeah.
Away my fears, I'm on my own. You made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares. I used to run with you through the great big.
So recently, layering has been everywhere. So of course, I had to incorporate layering in one of these outfits, and I just layered this tank top and the mini skirt on the dress. And also I would change the shoes throughout this video, but just because this shoe goes with literally every single look, I didn't feel like there was a need to like switch up my shoes. But if you want to, you can obviously mix and match whatever you want. So here I'm just pairing the dress with this short sleeved collar top, and this just gives me schoolgirl vibe basically. I don't know why, it just gives me schoolgirl vibes. And then the color of my top is polka dotted and my shoe is black and white, so it kind of just brings everything together. It just makes everything matchy. It makes you look like you tried even if you didn't. So yeah, and also this outfit was just looking so freaking plain. So guess what I did? Yes, you might have not guessed it, but then I added a very simple black handbag. And because of how plain it is, even while it was just there, I just used it as a crossbody bag to make it look instantly 10 times better. Like the bag just made it look instantly 10 times better. So while trying to dress the plain dress and the collar top up, I decided to pair it with this sweater. And if you don't like the whole long, like the whole sweater look, like the whole long looking sweater, you could just fold it in and make it look cropped. You could like tie it in the back. I just didn't for some reason during the trying, but you could just fold it and make it look cropped to look more modern and more put together.
I'm never gonna let you go, never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna give.
And if you don't want to wear it with your sneakers, you could just wear it with sandals. I personally don't like this look with sandals, but it works with sandals either way. And lastly, I just paired this dress with this turtleneck, long sleeved turtleneck. Not sure how to say it right. The bag and the same shoe. I'm sure you're probably tired of seeing by now. And again, with tights. Looks good either ways. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, follow my Instagram. If you use any of this, please tag me on Instagram, because that would blow my mind. Anyways, yeah, thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you next Wednesday, because that's when I upload. Bye.